Hello and welcome. In this video I will be flying high above Rudyard Lake in Staffordshire. Please take a moment to sit back, relax and enjoy the ride. As we can see by this beautiful footage, Rudyard Lake provides some of the most dramatic scenery to be found in the Staffordshire moorlands. Rudyard Lake has over 500,000 visitors coming to visit the shores each year. The lake covers 168 acres and is over 2.5 miles long. The lake was built as a reservoir in 1797. The lake is used for a range of activities, for fishing, rowing, canoeing, paddling. It even hosts a steam train, a trip boat, sailing, cycling, and a place to sit and eat. And if you're feeling a bit active after, there is a 5.5 mile walk around the lake. But if you do fancy a quick dip in the lake, I'm afraid to tell you that this is not allowed. Thank you for watching.